I got y'all off right here on the weekly. As y'all can see, we came down. We on the 20 EMA perfectly right now, waiting for the reversal. And also, like I showed y'all before, the support and resistance lines, and we're right here halfway through, like I been told y'all, and I was expecting to happen for the stop around this area, so you can make a reversal and actually finally break through the resistance line we've been dealing with for years. So let's go a little closer. On the daily chart, boom, you see a little closer. We came slightly below, but as y'all can see, we're wicked at on the bottom, exactly right here, where the previous closes are at, and in between these two candlesticks right here. So I mean, looks pretty good. It should definitely be as low as it's going. Also, if you look this direction, it's like a trend line going up, and clearly this trend line is following this. So we should clearly see this trend line, because it could either slowly take its way up through using the trend line, or it can just at any point in time hit one of these candlesticks, and I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to do, because it clearly shows it doing it already. Now y'all can see it here, here, and here, and specifically right here between these lines. Like you see where this one started off at, somewhere in between the middle, the middle of this support and resistance line that already have right here. Just like it's the middle up here, but it's just slowly making its way back up because those support and resistance lines are something serious. So let's go on a 4-hour chart. It's my favorite chart right here. It shows you everything. So a 4-hour chart, I mean, it looks good. The only thing I'm concerned about is that it hit the 200 EMA, because it makes no sense to come all the way down here and not hit the 200 EMA. But at the same time, it has 1, 2, 3 hits to the low. That's the thing. So I'm gonna add this in here because it's possible we can still come hit this 200 EMA on a 4-hourly, and that would be around 9 cents. Nah, I'm gonna say more like 10 cents would make more sense. But anyways, around 10 cents, it's a possibility it could drop down there in this general area, but no lower. I really believe it could be a tap down here on the 200 EMA because it's needed, and I just don't see why they will come down here. Look how close that is to 200. Like, why not hit it? But like I mentioned before just now, sorry, 3 hits too low. They could reverse it and recover this gap, or they could come down here. So let's say they do come down here. Boom, we will see a reversal, because either way, our next target will be right here on top of this candlestick, because you can clearly see this green doji and a red doji, but you see the wick right here, so that's our next level, because we'll come up there again. We will get rejected, so it won't go past this. It'll be around 13.5 cents, right? We should get a spike up here. Boom, slight retracement. Most likely we'll hop back on this 50 right here. It'll bounce off the 50. Boom, another jump up right here, because you see these green wicks right here. So basically recovering this candlestick, so that'll be around 17 cents. After 17 cents, we should see a retracement, and we should get a bounce off this 100 EMA, and then we should be bounced to our next level, which will be the all-time highs, which will be around 24, 25 cent range, and we'll see what it do from there. But anyways, everything I just said is what I'm planning on happening with this coin in the next week or so. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grow and you make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.